Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to be unboxing the Nuna ZAAZ. This is Nuna's very first high chair, and we love Nuna products. We love the quality, so we're super excited to get into today's video. It even says right here, so excited, with 1, 2, 3 O's. So we better be. I love Nuna's boxes because they're so easy to open. It's like effortless. So the color we got, let's see. So we got the oak color. So the tray I can see right here is black. Comes with a black top tray. I think that having a black tray would be really nice because with spills and messes, I feel like when you wipe it clean, it's not gonna show as much as maybe a white one would. Okay, it looks like this piece here is gonna be our base for the high chair. This is also black, so very cute aesthetic. Okay, and then our last piece it looks like here is the actual chair. So we'll start opening these. So looking at the chair, I love the oak color. I think it's so cute. I love how everything is black and then the pad on the actual chair is this really pretty tan. And they kind of have some unique designs in it, like some circles and stripes, and I think it's so cute. And you can just tell it's really good quality. I love what Nuna does. Now we have all of our pieces out of the box. Looking at it, I feel like it's not a really complicated assembly. They make it really self-explanatory. You're also going to want to make sure to pull your manual out of the box. I quickly glanced through it and saw that there's only 5 steps for setting up this high chair, which is amazing. I feel like they make it really easy for you, not too complicated, so we'll just get started. Overall, this Nuna high chair is amazing. I think just even the look of it in your house, it looks super clean. I love all the different features that Nuna added to this high chair. Right off the gate, they have a 5-point harness and it's magnetic, so it's really easy to buckle in. And the entire high chair is actually really easy to wash clean. Their tray is actually dishwasher safe, which is really nice. And as far as this cushion here, it's a really sturdy foam material, and I can already tell that for messes, it's just gonna wipe clean, super easy for you. And again, this chair is adjustable, so it can fit all different ages, baby, toddler, even bigger kids. Nuna has adjustments in the chair, so you can configure it to more ages. And lastly, I love how Nuna's base is small and slim. It's gonna save you from tripping over the legs of the high chair, and it's just very small and compact, so you can fit it in more places in your house. I think it is safe to say that the ZAAZ has pizzazz. Thank you for watching. You can shop this high chair or other high chairs on babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. And let us know what other videos you want to see in the comments, and we'll see you next time. It even says right here, so excited with 1, 2, 3 O's. So we better be. I think it is safe to say that the ZAAZ has pizzazz.